Hey everyone, today we're diving into the fun world of AI image creation using Grok, a fantastic tool from XAI that makes generating visuals a breeze. First things first, you'll want to access Grok. It's super easy to find. It's available on XAI's platform or app. Once you're in, you'll see that the interface is user-friendly and simple to navigate. To kick things off, just start chatting with Grok. You can say something like, "Can you create an image for me?" Since Grok is all about making sure it understands, it might ask if you really want it to generate that image. Just say yes, and don't forget to describe what you're envisioning. For example, I asked, "Can you create an image of a futuristic city at night?" Grok got back to me asking for confirmation, and when I said yes, I added details like neon lights and flying cars. The result? A stunning image that totally nailed the vibe. And if you want to make changes, it's easy. Just ask Grok to tweak the image, like adding more flying cars. Just remember, it can only edit images it has created for you. No uploading your own just yet. So there you have it. Just ask, confirm, describe, and tweak. Grok makes the whole process enjoyable and creative. What will you create first? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for hanging out.